If you look at our strategic plan that we launched last year in 2019, 10-year strategic plan, and you look at the appendix at the back, appendix number 5, and you work through all of the different things that we have done since we've merged, it makes most sense that it is at this point in time that we now introduce a comprehensive patient record so that all members of our community who receive care at Trillium Health Partners have a really good picture, and we as clinicians have a really good picture of what their healthcare journey is.